Are your assets, your house, bank accounts, investment accounts, and other valuables properly titled in the name of your trust? If your trust does not own the assets, your estate may be subject to probate. In order to make sure your assets line up with your trust instructions, make a list of each asset you own and identify where each asset is going to go to avoid probate. Assets owned as joint tenants with right of survivorship, assets owned in the name of the trust, and assets that pass by beneficiary designation will all avoid probate. Everything else is subject to probate. Probate can be costly and typically require 12 to 18 months from date of death to conclude. Also, if your assets pass outside the trust directly to a named beneficiary, the distribution provisions of the trust will be bypassed. Do you want the trust distribution provisions to control, the beneficiary designation, or do you want them to transfer by operation of law? If the assets do not line up with your instructions, your trust may not work as you intended. At Farr and Rethore, we highly recommend that you check to make sure your assets line up with your estate plan so that the assets get to the people you plan them to go to. If you would like more information on this topic and estate planning in general, please contact us to receive a complimentary audio CD explaining the basics of estate planning for yourself and the people you care about.